delicious habanero salsa. Yes, you are going to love this amazing salsa. It's perfect for tacos. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Well, of course, here I want to start first with the onion. I'm going to go ahead and slice it and then just cube it. They don't have to be in very small little pieces. The 2 garlic cloves, I'm just going to slice thinly, just like that. And I am going to add it to the rest of the ingredients. The habanero chilies, just leave them as they are. I'm adding some vegetable oil on my pan. Of course, the pan is nice and hot. And I am going to add all the ingredients in here. We are going to cook it for about 10 minutes in medium heat. You want all those flavors to really wake up. The chili habanero is really going to start getting a little bit roasted, not too much, but your kitchen is really going to get infused with the garlic, the onion, and the habanero. Make sure you leave the habaneros as they are. You don't want to slice them and then cook them, or else your kitchen is really going to smell like habanero and you won't stop coughing. Here I have my Baileys. I'm going to add 3 Baileys, and I'm adding my allspice. Right after you add these spices, you are going to add 1 cup of water and half a cup of the apple vinegar. You're going to add it in here. You're going to lower the heat to low heat. You're going to cover it and just let it simmer for about 5 minutes. You want really all those ingredients to get hydrated, to get nice and soft. Remember to reduce the heat. After the 5 minutes, uncover it, turn off the stove, and then we are ready to continue to give this sauce a beautiful color and flavor. I am going to add achiote. This spice, you could find it in any supermarket. Look at this. It comes just like that. I'm just going to get 1 tablespoon of this mixture, and I'm going to add it to give it more flavor and, of course, color at the same time. I'm just cutting a little bit. I'm going to reserve the rest, put it in the refrigerator, so whenever I need to use the achiote, I could add it with another recipe. Well, here I'm just going to go ahead and place this achiote paste into this little plate. And of course, I'm not leaving anything behind because the achiote has so many ingredients and the flavor is just amazing. Well, here I'm going to remove my Baileys, and I am ready to start adding everything into my blender. Look at this. And of course, I'm not going to leave anything behind. We're going to obtain all those juices, all the garlic and the onion. And now from here, I'm going to add the sugar. I am going to go ahead and add the black pepper. Of course, the salt. And remember that the salt is to taste. I have all the ingredients in here. We are not going to add any more liquid as is. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and start blending it for a couple minutes. After a few minutes, I'm going to add the achiote paste, and I'm going to blend it one more time. The color is going to change completely. Look at this. The color came out amazing. Now let's see. Let me show you the texture of this sauce. This salsa, you could put it in little containers, glass containers, and then just take it to the parties, take it where you're gonna go, and it really lasts in the refrigerator for about 2 whole weeks. If your blender doesn't blend really good, you need to put it through a sifter. But to tell you the truth, the blender I have really blends really good, and there's no need to put it through a sifter. Well, here I'm just gonna taste it. To my tasting, I need to add just 1 more teaspoon of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. The salsa is nice and hot, and this is the time when you need to really check for the salt, how much salt you're gonna add, because when it's nice and hot, the salt is going to dissolve completely. Now it's just perfect. Look at this texture. My mouth is already watering. My kitchen smells amazing. The habanero chilies really bring up all those flavors. But this is the part I really love. I all the time have this bottle filled with this delicious habanero sauce. Well, here I have a bottle, and I am going to pour all this amazing sauce into it, and then I am ready to enjoy it. Remember, pour it when it's still nice and hot. You're gonna notice that the glass container is gonna get foggy, but it's getting foggy because it's still hot, and that's exactly how you wanna add it to a glass container. Always use glass containers for your hot sauces, for anything. The glass container is more safe and it lasts more in your refrigerator. Well, look at this. I am going to go ahead, cover it, and in this container, it will not leak at all. Look at this. Of course, I need to make myself a delicious taco so that I could enjoy it. But here, this is ready. I made some crispy ground beef tacos that you already have on my channel, and I'm adding my delicious sauce right on the top. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. Habanero salsa. It came out so delicious and so amazing that I had to prepare these ground beef tacos that you already have on my channel. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The spicy habanero sauce came out perfect. It's not too hot, and it's perfect for tacos or anything you want to add it to. This habanero salsa came out amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make this amazing and delicious homemade habanero salsa to go. Put it in a jar, and then it's ready to go to the parties where you're having or enjoying delicious tacos. Remember, the recipe for the ground beef tacos, you already have it on my channel. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing ground beef tacos. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.